Okay, this is part 2 of New Year's nutrition goals, if you want to call it that. I'm not a huge resolution guy. I'm not someone that really believes in completely overhauling everything because it's the new year, especially when it comes to nutrition. Usually the more extreme something is, the more likely it is to rebound, or the more likely it is to have like a rebel period and then a guilt period and then a recommittal period. So when it comes to nutrition, small baby steps are more boring, but they are going to be more transformational. Plan is part 2. So Nourish was video part 1. Go ahead and watch that if you want to. If not, this video is plan. So what that means is whatever stage of life you're in, having some sort of plan for your nutritional needs is really wise. So that could be planning just for your breakfasts. Maybe you have the same breakfast every day, so making sure you just have those in the house. Maybe it is meal prepping like a casserole dish, and then you divide it up into 5 different meals that morning or for the week. Maybe it is planning everything out to a T because you work out of the house. Maybe it is just for dinners because you have everyone in your household for dinner. So having some sort of plan of how you're going to approach the day tends to lead to better choices versus flying off the seat of your pants. That always tends to lead toward impulsive choices. And when you're hungry, your executive functioning is not optimized, meaning when you're hungry, you don't have focus as optimal as you could. You don't have resilience or patience as often or as refined as you could. And you're going to choose something that feels good in the moment, maybe something that isn't aligned with your goals or whatever that is. And so having some sort of plan is meant to support you. If the plan feels like you're trapped and you need to be set free, then maybe choosing in the moment because you have a good intuition is what's best for you. So choosing in the moment is typically if someone has a really strong intuition, has the ability to honor their hunger cues, honor their fullness cues, and has that honed in on. So if you don't have that really dialed in, then a plan would be best. I hope this helps. Stay tuned for part 3.